Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study the aromaticity in fulvenes. Fulvenes are two rings connected by exocyclic pi bonds. Let's see the aromaticity in fulvenes with the example. The first example is a three-membered ring. The two three-membered ring connected by the exocyclic bond. So this is called exocyclic pi bond. Let's see the aromaticity in this compound. The first example. If bond undergoes breaking, one part will take positive charge and another part will take negative charge. This is positive and this is negative. Now it is very easy to predict the aromaticity. Let's apply. Take this part alone. It has only one pi bond, that is, it has only 2 pi electron, and this part has negative charge, so it will undergo delocalization. So totally 4 pi electrons are involved in the delocalization. So this system has 4 pi electrons. So this part will obey 4n plus 2 pi rule, and this will obey 4n rule. Hence this part is aromatic and this part is anti-aromatic. So one thing we have to keep in mind, in the compound, if the one part is aromatic and another part is anti-aromatic, then the compound fall under non-aromatic. Okay. Next, see one more example. Bond is undergo breaking. Two pentane rings are fused by exocyclic double bond. So one takes positive, another takes negative. Now take this part alone. So it has 4 pi electron in the system. Here negative charge is here. So it will have delocalization. So after delocalization it has 6 pi electrons. So this obey 4n rule and this part is obeyed by 4n plus 2 pi rule. Hence this part is anti-aromatic and this is aromatic. Again, both are not similar. Both the system are different. So one part is anti-aromatic, another one is aromatic. As I told you already, if the one system is anti-aromatic, another is aromatic, then the compound become non-aromatic. And let's see one more example. Third example. One 5-membered ring and one is 3-membered ring are joined by the exocyclic bond. The bond undergoes breaking. So the 5-membered ring takes negative charge. Now predict the aromaticity. This part, it has negative charge, so will undergo delocalization. So totally it has 6 pi electrons, and this part has only 2 pi electrons. This is obeyed by 4n plus 2 pi rule, and this is obeyed by 4n plus 2 pi rule. So both the part obeyed by Huckel's rule, that is 4n plus 2 pi rule. So this system is aromatic and this part is aromatic. So both the part are fallen aromatic, then the compound become fully aromatic. This is in the case of when the two rings are fused together by exocyclic bond. Suppose if the rings are undergo breaking, what will happen? If the molecule undergoes breaking of bond, then the aromaticity will be, see with the example, the first example. If the molecule undergo breaking, this molecule will be like this, that is. So now this part has to charge only 2 pi electrons, hence this compound is anti-aromatic. Aromatic, because it obeys 4n plus 2 pi rule. So the name of this compound is triafulvene. And second example is now this has negative charge, so we will undergo delocalization. So totally 3 pi bonds, so totally 6 pi electrons are involved in the delocalization. It obeys 4n plus 2 pi rule, so it's aromatic. So its name is pentafulvene. Let me take one more example. This is heptafulvene. The bond undergoes breaking. Takes positive charge, the ring takes positive charge. Now this part has 6 pi electrons, 3 pi bonds, so 6 pi electrons. So it obeys 4n plus 2 pi rule. Hence this compound is aromatic. So these are some examples about fulvene. If the double bond is occupied by any atoms, for example, if the double bond connected with heteroatoms, simply oxygen, let's take the example, Let's see the aromaticity in this molecule. After bond breaking, the negative charge where will go? Either it will taken by this ring or it will taken by the oxygen. For this we have to see the electron negativity of the heteroatom. Here the oxygen is highly electronegative atom. So hence the negative charge is taken by this oxygen atom after the bond breaking. So the compound will be, so the ring system takes positive charge and the oxygen takes negative charge because of the highly electronegative atom character. Now this system has 2 pi electrons, hence it obeys by 4n plus 2 pi rule. Hence this system is aromatic. Similarly, in the case of pentylene, again negative charge is taken by the oxygen molecule. It has 4 pi electrons. So it obeys 4n rule, 4n pi rule. Hence this compound is anti-aromatic. Let's see the example, another example. Undergoes breaking. The negative charge will be goes over oxygen and the positive charge. Now this part has 6 pi electrons. So it obeys by 4n plus 2 pi rule. As the compound is aromatic. Suppose if the compound has 2 oxygen atoms. Now this is 4-membered ring connected with the 2 oxygen atoms. So the negative charge is taken by the oxygen atom and it will be like this. Now this part has 2 pi electrons, only one bond, just 2 pi electrons and obeyed by 4n plus 2 pi rule. As this compound is aromatic. So this is about the aromaticity in fullerenes. I hope it's very useful for you. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries related to my topic, please write in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.